Hi everyone, this is Divya. I have recently cleared my UGC NET-LS December 2023 and I have cleared my exam in third attempt, and it was very difficult for me to study the whole syllabus again and again because I was unable to clear the exam with only the margin of 5 or 10 marks each time. But Gaurav Sharma sir always motivated and supported the students who are unable to make clear the exam to study again with the same energy until we clear the exam. And I would like to thank the whole ASS Foundation team, Gaurav Sharma sir, Tanya ma'am, Ali sir, Sumit sir, Manisha ma'am, who helped me and guided me in clearing my exam. The faculty is very polite and motivated me throughout my journey. And the study material is very precise, especially the four booklets, and the PYQs are more than enough to clear the exam. The special thing about joining the ASS Foundation is their faculty, of course, and their Google Classroom, where you can um, go and revise the syllabus again and again. And if you skip the classes, you can also go and complete your classes. And their WhatsApp group where we can ask the doubts anytime. And last but not the least, their selected solutions for the PYQs. So I would give a suggestion to all the aspirants who are preparing for UGC NET will join the A.S.S Foundation for the subject clarity. Thank you.